Angry people. That's what we come across often when we run this course, Intermediate Excel. People are not generally angry at the beginning, but often they're very angry by the end. And you might think, wow, that's a crazy thing to admit. I'm Joanne Redgrove and I run Paramount Training, and lots of the people that we get on this course are really keen to move their Excel level up to the next stage, if you like. So some of the things that we cover on this course help people to be able to save time. So people are generally angry by the end. If I can just explain that in a bit more detail, people are angry at the end because they realise that they've been spending hours and hours and hours doing things that actually there's a much quicker way. They can do something in 5 minutes instead of 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours and more. Which would you choose? So some of the things that we cover on the intermediate course, we have a look at a number of different formulas that you may not have come across before. So things like if statements, VLOOKUPs, absolute, relative, cell referencing. We explain all of this on the day, so don't worry if you don't know what they are before you start. We also have a look at a range of date formulas, and they're useful as well if you're trying to calculate how long has it been since something or till something. Some great formulas in there. We look at password protection as well, so we can protect spreadsheets to stop people getting into them and looking at confidential information potentially. And we can look at protecting cells, individual cells. Often when we work with other people, we often hear that people delete formulas out of cells and break spreadsheets, so we can protect those cells so that that can't happen. We also do a little bit of sorting and filtering, and there's some advanced features in there that you may not know about. And then we generally finish off with my favourite thing in Excel, one of my favourite things, which is pivot tables and charts. So how we can summarise data very quickly without too much hassle really. We can manipulate the data and we can summarise it very easily. Very powerful tool, very easy to do. No formulas involved in pivot tables generally. So if you don't like formulas, then pivot tables could be just what the doctor ordered. So we very much look forward to seeing you on one of our courses. Do get in touch if you need any more information.